Hi, my name is Diego, and I'm here to describe how Google uses a web crawler to find websites and show them as a result every time a user searches for something on google.com, also known as Google Search. If you created a website, you want to be found by your actual and future clients, making sure your service or product is being recognized by them. In this digital era, where everything is connected, you have to understand what tools are important for your business and how they could provide a good result from your market perspective. To be indexed by Google is one of them. Everyone uses Google as part of any searching process. To find a reliable website for a vacation trip, products and service feedback, and actually, we use Google for everything. Google is by far the most popular searching service website in the entire world. But to understand how a website is indexed by Google, here is a quick introduction that what is a web crawler. Web crawler, also called a spider, is an algorithm that is typically used for the web indexing process, making a better organization of the website data to extract information from it. Knowing that, it is possible to answer the question, what is Googlebot? Googlebot is a generic name given by the entire web indexation process, being a group of an algorithm and several computers spread around the world. It is responsible to access every single website on the entire internet, indexing it based on download data such as text, images, and videos. Indexing data from a website is done by analyzing the download data and saving to Google's database, associating the website with some tags that will be found by a query when a user searches on it. Google does not provide the portion of websites indexed by Googlebot and manually submitted by the website's owner. But as you can find on Googlebot documentation, the vast majority of web pages listed in their results were found and added automatically when Googlebot explores the web. To index a website, the first task is find out this page. But how is it possible if there is no list or central register of all web pages? Google describes that as a process that is always looking for updated pages and new pages. But how? Visiting again the same URL that was already crawled, or finding a new web link from a known website. Once Google knows what website should be visited or crawled, now it's time for Googlebots to go into action. This algorithm was developed to identify how often the website must be visited and the right speed to be crawled, avoiding website overload. So, we can affirm that Googlebot visits every site that has been found, right? This is not true. Some websites do not allow crawler bots, and this was defined by the owner. Other situations to avoid being crawled by Googlebots are either websites that should be logged in to access the content, or duplicate pages similar from websites already crawled. After this crawling process gets done by Google, now it's time for the indexing process. In this step, all websites' content is analyzed by an algorithm that will look for key content tags, attributes, website elements, videos, and more, helping Google to identify the website content. Collect information goes to Google Index, a database composed of several computers placed in different parts of the world. This is just a quick introduction to this topic, and if you want to go deeper, you can access the Googlebot website to find more information about it. Knowing how Googlebot works, probably another question could be made. Does this process work in the same way in the case of non-responsive mobile version? As you can imagine, there's a difference between the desktop website version and the mobile website version. Sometimes we have different content because the mobile version there is not so much room for images, videos, or other types of content. Understanding that, Google works with a different Googlebot created exclusively to crawl your mobile website's version. To ensure that the mobile version of the page will be indexed by Google, the website's owners should check a tool called Mobile Friendly Test. Getting this validation will be assured by Google that the mobile website version will be crawled and indexed. The entire process is the same as the desktop version, but now this website will be shown in case of mobile device is searching on Google search. So I hope you could understand how important is the web crawler for Google indexing process, and knowing that, trying to imagine the same activity but without this tool. Please check at the end of this video some powerful results if you want to know more about this content. I hope you could enjoy this content. Thank you so much for your attention and watching this.